My name is Karen Peterson. I'm from New York City. I was diagnosed with stage 1 triple negative breast cancer in 2015. Started treatment in April of 2015, completed it in 2015 in about June. And then I had a double mastectomy voluntarily. Unfortunately for me, moving forward in 2017, at a routine exam, there was blood work taken, and it was indicating that there was something different going on. And the CAT scan indicated there were several areas of activity in my spine, in my ribs, just all over my body. At that point, I just shifted my thinking and I did a lot of research, and I take that research and contact the doctors because I wanted to make an informed decision. Luckily, a second opinion, a second oncologist, a research oncologist took me on, and we were able to get genomic testing. I was able to get some information that helped me determine what kind of steps I needed to take. And for me, it was a clinical trial. I feel like, the universe smiled on me. I got really lucky, and I know how lucky I am. I had 4% chance of survival, and a clinical trial actually saved me. And I'm not rich. I don't have a PhD. I'm self-taught, and I want other people of color to know that this is actually obtainable. Access to groundbreaking clinical trials is not unobtainable. It's there. Communities of color, there is a disdain and fear and mistrust in regards to clinical trials because of the previous medical crimes and atrocities that have happened to us. So we're huge skeptics. And so it was important for me to share my story and then move forward and become more of I would say, a solid advocate in the clinical trial disparity field. So I paired up with the Robin Hood organization as a Blue Ridge Lab 2021 fellow, and they helped me start Karen's Club. In Karen's Club, you can set up a one-on-one consultation and actually speak to a patient advocate of color who's actually gone through a clinical trial and can actually speak to it. When I talk to other patients, when I talk to caregivers, because there are a lot of smart caregivers out there who are checking in with Karen and Karen's Club, the passion, the vulnerability, I know what it's like. I've been there in their chair at the crossroads when you're trying to find information and you're feeling like no one cares, or you don't understand the information, or you don't trust the information. I went through all of that, and the journey I went through, I was by myself, and it's not something that I would recommend for anybody. I feel like I did all of that so that other people won't have to do that. I'm inspired when I hear someone say to me, thank you, you give me hope. You've clarified some things for me. I understand things better. I don't feel like I'm alone.